Hi, I'm Francis. Welcome to the Avicii Marketplace, the leading digital marketplace for curated and professional assets by certified authors in the industry. We enable consumers and businesses to transform the way they buy, sell, and operate and improve their efficiencies. We provide the technology infrastructure, platform, and marketing reach to help consumers, merchants, brands, retailers, and other businesses. Leveraging the raw power of AI and other new technologies for businesses on our platform to engage themselves between users and authors efficiently in a more streamlined way. Our businesses are comprised of digital assets, e-commerce, web design and development, optimization, browsers, mobile apps, and social sites, among others. Avicii Digital Marketplace is an unconsolidated related party that provides digital retail services and offers digital financial services to consumers, merchants, and other businesses on our platforms.
Avicii Store is committed to complying with all applicable laws and conducting and delivering services ethically. We uphold our values and deliver on our purpose by doing what's right for Avicii team, our authors, and our customers. Each Avicii team member, regardless of role, entity, or location, must follow the law, the code of ethics, and Avicii's policies and procedures, exhibiting honesty, respect, and concern for others through every interaction. Team members are obligated to report any suspected or actual ethical concerns and always make ethical business decisions that align with Avicii's purpose, policies, and values.
Our commitment is unwavering. Avicii is proud to be one of the world's most beloved retail stores, and we've made commitments across our business to guide us in keeping that long legacy alive. There's a reason so many guests call Avicii their happy place and why we have the highest number of returning customers. We want every person, group, business, and family to feel safe, welcome, and respected every time they shop with us. We recognize that we can impact the human rights of our team members, guests, workers in the supply chain, as well as people in the communities in which we operate. In line with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Labor Organization core conventions, we are committed to respecting human rights throughout our operations. By the way, I'm Jerry. Shop relaxed. Shop with pride with Avicii.